Welcome, would you like to learn some Taekwondo? Well, here's the yellow stripe form. Taegeuk Iljan. Cheerio. Kongyet. B. And look to the left first. Low block. High stance punch. High stance low block. High stance punch. Then low block and a low stance reverse punch. Back foot comes up, reverse middle, and then step reverse punch. Turn reverse middle, and then step reverse punch. And then low block reverse punch. Back foot comes up, upper block. Front kick to the face, and high stance punch. Turn upper block. And make sure it comes from here. Front kick to the face, and high stance upper block. Or punch. I'll edit that out later. Left foot, left hand, low block. Left foot, Connor. So you're right here, guys. And you're gonna go left foot. And hey, Baro. Shield. Follow along right on your device. Come get. Chimbi. Ready? High stance, low block. High stance punch. Turn high stance, low block. High stance punch. Now low block with the left foot, and then reverse punch. Back foot comes up, reverse middle. Reverse punch. Reverse means opposite. Turn reverse middle. And reverse punch. Now low block, reverse